Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome in. Thank you so much for coming back today. Thank you for coming to CHAOSmas. And today, guess what? It is another DUCKmas video. It is, who knows what number we're on? I have lost track. You probably know better than I do. That's why I'm trying to put that in the title somewhere to let us know what it is. If not, I think I dump it in the description box and you'll know what day of DUCKmas we're on. Hopefully we're almost there. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. We're going to have two unboxings, two unboxings and some advent calendars. So come on back and we'll head over and get started. Yes, I put these two together because you will see. I purchased this one August the 12th. This one I purchased August the 12th. I love this one. Ta-da! This is the Dooney Bourke Retro. It's part of the Retro Graffiti line, and this is, they're calling the mini bag, the mini wristlet. So look at that. It is in great condition. Now here's the front, here's the side, here's the back, the other side, the bottom. I have a similar one, which is a different size. I don't remember. I don't see it. I don't see where it's at right now. But look, y'all. The zipper has all the different colors on that. Oh my gosh, look at that. The inside is beautiful. Oh, okay, so this is why they call it a wrist. Oh no, it has a key keeper. It's still in the package. It has the Dooney Bourke little tag there. It has a little logo there, and it's a zipper pocket. This is why it's called a wristlet, because it can be like a little Nolita, but you take it off and you can just put it here and it can be just a wristlet. Look at that, very versatile. It has this gorgeous tag. Gorgeous, gorgeous tag. Yeah, so isn't it just adorable? Do you like that? Do you like that? Hold on, I've got more. Here's the next box, because why? Because she's crazy. She is crazy. Here's the box. This one, I have no idea where I got it from. Oh, wait, does it say on the box? I must have got this from eBay. It's an eBay seller too. And this one was purchased June 4th, 2025. So a month before I purchased that one. Did I remember? I don't know. I think she did. Look. It is the satchel. Oh my gosh, it's the satchel. And so, look, I could not resist it. It is in gorgeous shape, gorgeous shape. Look at that. I'll try to put up on the screen the price. I couldn't find it really quick when I was looking. This one also has a Dooney tag on there. Here's the front, here's the side. Here's the back, here's the other side, here's the bottom. Of course, there's feet there, handles that go down. It has, this one, however, does not have the rainbow zipper. And it is missing, I think this was a 3-piece shoulder strap, but it's missing one, because look, it looks too short, so I think it's missing a piece, but that's okay. I have my magic strap. Not a problem. Not a problem. Let's see what it looks like on the inside, because I don't remember. I don't remember what it's supposed to do. Oh, it's got the blue lining on the inside as well. It has the black labeling on there. This one's a little dirty, so this one definitely was loved. Yeah, it's a lot dirty, so I have to wash this before I do anything. There is a big pocket here, a little pocket there. Very nice. Okay, let me try to stuff this. So now I have 3 of these, so she can be a little not as fanatic the next time she sees one. No, who's kidding me? I will probably buy every piece of this that I find within reason. I'm going to take this off because this really doesn't do anything. It does have the key keeper and it has the black little leather tag. I don't have a lot. That's a little bit better. So, ta-da! Here's a mama and here's a baby. And I have a third one. If I can find it during the editing, then I'll try to insert a picture up here somewhere so that y'all can see that. Okay, let's head over to the advent calendars. Welcome back, welcome back. Okay, yes, she is crazy. So I have 3 of those in my collection, like 3 of those patterns, so I think I'm okay. Here is we are in day 4 of this advent calendar. It is a duck snowman. So cute. We have been turning these into bag charms slash ornaments for the tree. My grandkids have been enjoying theirs as well too. Let's see. There's not going to be any room for the Labubus when I get to the Labubus. And then we have our hand sanitizer, DIY hand sanitizer. Let's see what scent I have today. We have, what is this one? Crisp Morning Air. Ooh, I'm going to try that one. I haven't smelled that one. And we got to let it dry down so I don't choke myself. Ooh, I can smell it. Oh my gosh, crisp morning air, y'all. Oh, yeah, it does. Crisp morning air. Yes. I forgot how much I love the Bath and Body Works. I know some people hate these, but that's okay. I like them. I like them. Alrighty. Okay, beauties, thank you so much for coming by. I hope that you enjoyed my double Dooney unboxing, my double advent calendar, and just hanging out with me today. I'm trying to make these a little bit, some of them a little bit short of my CHAOSmas videos. Some of them are a little bit longer, just to kind of make it easier for y'all, because I know this is a video every single day. If you can't make it to watch every single day, I completely understand. But let me know at the end of the series how many you made, if you were able to make them all by the end of the series. Okay, like, subscribe, share my content. Don't forget to help me get to 2K. I greatly appreciate it. And just thank you so much for being here. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I, might only have 12 of y'all here or something, but I appreciate every single one of y'all. All righty, beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.